Welcome to Community ArtsKitchen.
In this video, I would like to show you that gardening, cooking, and art making go all hand in hand. This garlic was in the ground for about 6 months. I live in Northern California, so I planted in December and harvested mid-May. I let the garlic dry in a dark, cool, air-circulated area for about 2 weeks. I used a vegetable brush to brush off the outermost paper-thin skin and excess dirt. I also organized the garlic by size, small and big. To start your garlic braid, start with 3 pieces and lay them crisscross and start from the left to the right to braid, always diagonally across. Pull the braid tight and then bring in your next piece of garlic from the left, braid from the right over the left, bring a next piece in on the right, nestle it in tightly, and then again braid in from the right and the left, bring in your next piece from the left, nestle it in tightly, and braid from the left over to the right and from the right to the left, and keep going and following this pattern. Sometimes you just kind of have to go with the flow with the size of your garlic pieces and where they want to fit into the braid. You repeat this until your braid is complete. This is what a finished garlic braid looks like from the back. Here I'm demonstrating a tying off finish wrapping technique. The braid is finished and now I'm separating a few of the garlic greens that have dried and I am wrapping them in groups around the ends, and I keep wrapping for just a few layers, and then at the very end I tie everything into a knot. Another finishing technique you might want to try is the braiding, which is shown here on the right. Just keep braiding your ends until you run out. Braiding and hanging the garlic is a fantastic, beautiful, artistic way to store the garlic for several months. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Community ArtsKitchen was created and developed by Barbara Libby-Steinmann and Anna Rochester. See you next time.